Hello beautiful customers, I welcome you again to Steven Stone Design. So today we are going to load a ACCRA truck to Kumasi. So as you can see, so I'm here to share update with you how we are going to load this ACCRA in the big truck, as you can see. So here in Accra we have a cargo that can take a ACCRA all at once, but in this case today we found a Kia Rano, two Rano that's going to share this ACCRA, to Kumasi, So this Rano decide to take a 4 Kia, in another Rano will take a 2 Kia. So that be the agreement the two drivers have made before they come to the PT inside, So as for us, we are here just to load a ACCRA to 2 Ranos. So one is here and other one is at the top there, So for the beauty of the work, we are going to mix the colors. So I'll get a 1K of this one and I'll get a 1K of yellow color, So let me get closer. I'll get this color as 1K, So I'm going to mix the colors up to having a ACCRA truck here, The name is Steven Stone Design. So these stones are going all the way to Kumasi, So these are the trucks. So we are waiting for the loaders. So now I'm heading to where the second Rano is located, So they are loading the second Rano, as you can see. So as for loading these stones to a long distance, we have a good solution, a good solution that is going to be affordable for you to afford the stones at lowest price and have a car that can take to Kumasi or Sunyani at low price, as you can see. So this is the second Rano, as you can see. So this one be the white color and other one be red car. So this one be the white car, the white Rano, So most of the times I always wish to be here with them and make sure that what you are loading to follow the truck, because since the customer have been investing money in, I have to make sure that everything on good points, So always, all the times I make sure that maybe I count to the PT inside, and be there with them, so that maybe everything can be on point, as you can see. So you can also order stone for us and have the stone soon as possible, as you can see. So this Rano take a 2 kilos of Kia Mighty, So they are going to load this Rano full, So once they load the full, now that be 2 Kia truck, and you will find a Kia Mighty that will load it in the Kia Mighty and places put for top, because when you do on that way, maybe they may cheat me or maybe make sure I may cheat them. So you have to make sure that everything is on good point, So that's when they load with that Kia Martin, that charge is going to be my cup of tea, but because of the goods of the work, for the customer to also see that, what you have been doing is genuine, you have to be witness and stuff. I have to make sure that John that so I'll take a video or a picture so the customer confirms that this also maybe a ACCRA that you are loading for him, so that it may not look at the end of the day, it look like an idea, then maybe you didn't reach out to the ACCRA for them. So me too, I don't love that thing, whatever I'm doing from my heart inside, so they are on a good process. Yeah, so they have loaded one Kia truck of this color, you know. So this is one Kia, so they are going to the other location and load another one Kia again, you know, because this one be Rano. Yeah, so now they are going to load the second Kia, you know, but the second Kia color is going to be different, you know, from the first Kia, you know, because this be Rano, so Rano take a 2 Kia trucks of Kia Mighty, you know. So they have got the one Kia, so now I left the second Kia, you know, so that the Rano will get into Kia, you know. So the second Kia going to be a different color from the first one, you know. So you are going to mix the colors for the person, as you can see. So they are on the loading process, you know. Yeah, so we have loaded 2 Kia trucks of shell stones already, you know. So this will be 2 Kia trucks of stones. So we are now heading to the second truck. Who are they down there, as you can see, you know. So this will be 2 Kia, you know, in Rano truck, you know, as you can see. Yeah, the stones have been looking so beautiful. So we have been heading to, you know. Yeah. So this will be the second Rano, you know. Yeah. So once they load a 2 Kia truck or Kia Mighty inside the Rano, you look for another truck that going to push extra 2 Kia to this one, so that this one will take a 4 Kia, you know. So they are on the process, as you can see.
Emma, who's that?
Yeah, so this be 2 Kia trucks of shell stones, you know. Yeah, so now you have got 4 Kia load on the Rano. So this be 2 Kia, and order to take another 2 Kia. So we are going to use the Kia Mighty, you know, to load one by one, you know, and put on the big truck, as you can see. Yeah, so this is the Kia Mighty, you know. So whenever you say 1 Kia truck, this be 1 Kia truck. So they are going to load with this one and place it on the Rano, as you can see, you know. So this be Kia Mighty, you know. Yeah, so now they have placed the 5th Kia on the truck, you know. So these are the 5th Kia, as you can see. So that view are the low, you can see like it's look like over full, you know. So this one be the 5th Kia, you know. Yeah, so we are going to carry the last one and put inside, so that you will get the 6 pepper, as you can see. Yeah, so now we are going to carry the 6 one on. That be the last gear, Yeah. So as I'm saying, so we are going to measure with a Kia Mighty and place it on the big truck, Yeah, so they are on this location. They are the top there, as you can see. Yeah, so you are on the last gear top, So they are doing the loading, as you can see. As you can see. Yeah, so this one be the last one, the 5th gear, Yeah, so once they load this one, that be all, as you can see. We are on the process. So this one be the last one also they have done, as you can see. Okay.